This is the Chic E Line i50 LE from Carthago. For this, you're looking at around 180,000 euros, 178,870 to be exact. Having said that, it's a lot of money, but it is absolutely outstanding inside. So we've got this wonderful sitting group here. Start off with this deep double floor as you come in. In fact, I'll even show it to you, because this is, to me, is one of the outstanding things about this motorhome. Look how deep it is, and you even see when we go to the outside how much storage this actually offers. Table can be, you can have an extendable one. At this level here, you've got all sorts of choice. Don't like the colours about anything, want a different table, you can more or less do anything you like. As you can see, the chassis is a Fiat. Very much Carthago DNA inside, although it does have this bit of a waste of space there. Can't see the point of that. Should have covered it up or made this storage even bigger, in my opinion. The kitchen itself comes with a grill, a freezer and a fridge, and isn't that wonderful? So we can see here some of the details of it. In fact, I'll read this out as I'm walking around. 789 long, 227 wide, 308 high, and it will give a 4.5 or 4.8 ton base. You can get ready to go, it's under 4 tons, so 500 to 800 kilos of payload. So that's quite a lot, really. At the back, we've got German layout. We have here the television goes up there. 24-inch television, Alphatronics. One thing Carthago do is these, it goes back there, the storage like that, and so it seems to slope down a bit. Maybe it doesn't, but it seems to, and might be an optical illusion, although quite honest, I don't think it is. The advantage of it going down is the fact that now you can see where the light switches are and the electricity switches. Easy to get to, easy to operate, easy to see. I don't like these corners, as I've made in many videos. Complete waste of space. I mean, I do appreciate this is a big vehicle and there's plenty of space in it, but all the same, better, I think, not to have it like that. Up here, there we've got a skylight. We've also incidentally got storage down here as well, and we can access this by lifting that up. A big wardrobe down there. On the subject of wardrobes, there's a one here as well, which is part of the dressing room, but I'll come on to that. I'm going too far ahead of myself. Up there we have more storage, another wardrobe. That thing down there will fit into here to make the German bed layout. This pulls forward and that'll fit into there, and that gives you also steps up to the bed as well. I'll push it back. Of course, this thing here also opens like that. Wonderful also the shower unit. We've got the duckboard in, and the duckboard matches the rest of the floor. A very wide shower with a skylight in it. We can use the toilet as well with it, so this gives like a dressing area. This door will also close here, and I'm forgetting how this operates. Yes, there we go. So that can go close that like that, and if you really want a bit of privacy, you can close that in that manner. So that's something I think only Carthago do so far. I'm sure somebody will copy it eventually. In here, another wonderful washroom. There's a step there. I do like to have things on flat floor all the way. but that's me. 3 burner sink in the kitchen. Notice how it is contoured. I think this is particularly attractive. I also like the way they put the clocks up there, although they previously had them above the door, and putting them there, quite honest, I think above the door was a better place, although you can see them constantly. Once you've got the barometer and temperature and time. Clever one. Opens both ways. This thing, however, only opens the one way. And this also is very nice. Slide out pantry. There's only one though, that one down there. That's part of the toilet below. One of my favourite vehicles. Well, sorry, brands anyway. I won't say the vehicle. Look at all this storage outside. Enormous garage. The garage will take 350 kilos if memory. Oh, sorry, no, it's 450 kilos. There's a Dometic inverter. The electrics are through there. I don't like having to unscrew things. Fortunately, this comes off by just twisting this and the other one at the bottom, so you get access to the electrics. Now, the base vehicle on the E and S lines from Carthago, so it's either Fiat, Mercedes, or Iveco. Also here you get a really good view of how much space there is in the double floor. So that is the Chic E Line i50 LE. I did it very quickly, and there may be more information in the description below if I remember to put it in. So I sort of did give a very quick walk around of it, but sort of gives you a basic idea. Thanks for watching. I upload every day at 21:15. I am based in Poland and Germany, so that's Central European time. More from me in Germany. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.